Think and Grow Rich. Napoleon Hill, A Blueprint for Achieving Success. Think and Grow Rich, written by Napoleon Hill in 1937, is one of the most famous self-help books of all time. Hill spent more than 20 years researching the lives of successful people such as Andrew Carnegie, Henry Ford, and Thomas Edison, and distilled their strategies for success. Here are 8 of several principles discussed in the book that Hill says can be used by anyone to achieve financial success and personal fulfillment. The book is about more than making money. It's about developing the mindset and habits that lead to success in all areas of life. The power of thought and desire. At the core of Think and Grow Rich is the idea that our thoughts have immense power. Hill teaches that thoughts are things, and that whatever the mind can conceive and believe, it can achieve. This concept forms the foundation for the entire book. Hill explains that everything begins with a burning desire, a deeply held goal or aspiration that drives us to take action. He emphasizes that this desire must be more than a mere wish. It needs to be a definite purpose, backed by strong determination. Hill shares a story about Edwin C. Barnes, who had a burning desire to work with the inventor Thomas Edison. Despite having no connections or money, Barnes focused all his energy on making this dream a reality. His persistence paid off, and he eventually became Edison's business partner. This story highlights Hill's message. If you have a clear goal and an unwavering desire to achieve it, you can overcome any obstacle. Autosuggestion. Influencing your subconscious mind. Autosuggestion is the technique of feeding your subconscious mind with positive thoughts and beliefs. Hill believes that our subconscious mind is incredibly powerful and can influence our actions and outcomes, often without us realizing it. By consciously directing positive thoughts and ideas into your subconscious, you can shape your behavior and mindset to align with your goals. Hill advises creating a definite plan for achieving your goal and repeating it to yourself daily. By doing so, you imprint this plan on your subconscious mind, making it more likely that you will follow through with the necessary actions. This technique of autosuggestion helps to combat negative thoughts and self-doubt, replacing them with confidence and determination. Specialized knowledge, the power of continuous learning. Hill distinguishes between 2 types of knowledge: general knowledge and specialized knowledge. General knowledge, which is broad and often unfocused, does not necessarily lead to success. Specialized knowledge, on the other hand, is targeted and practical, directly contributing to the achievement of your goals. To succeed, Hill argues that you must continuously acquire specialized knowledge related to your field of interest. This knowledge can come from formal education, self-study, or learning from others who are already successful. The key is to never stop learning and to apply that knowledge in a way that moves you closer to your goals. Hill also stresses the importance of building a network of knowledgeable people. By surrounding yourself with experts and mentors, you can leverage their experience and insights to accelerate your own success. Organized planning. Turning desire into action. Having a burning desire and a clear vision is not enough. You must also create a practical plan for achieving your goals. Hill emphasizes the importance of organized planning, which involves breaking down your goal into actionable steps and creating a timeline for completing them. Hill advises forming a mastermind group, a group of like-minded individuals who can support and collaborate with you on your journey. This group can provide feedback, share ideas, and help you stay accountable to your goals. The key to success, according to Hill, is persistence. Even the best plans may face obstacles, but those who keep pushing forward despite setbacks are the ones who ultimately succeed. Failure, Hill says, is just a part of the process, and it should be viewed as a temporary detour rather than a permanent defeat. Decision. Overcoming procrastination. Successful people, Hill notes, make decisions quickly and change them slowly, if at all. Indecision and procrastination are 2 of the biggest obstacles to success. Hill urges readers to develop the habit of making firm decisions and sticking to them. To overcome procrastination, Hill suggests breaking down tasks into smaller, manageable steps and taking action immediately. The longer you wait to start, the harder it becomes to take the first step. By building momentum and taking consistent action, you can overcome inertia and move steadily toward your goals. Persistence, the sustained effort required for success. Persistence is one of the most important qualities for achieving success. Hill points out that many people give up just when they are on the brink of success. The ability to keep going, even when faced with difficulties, is what separates successful individuals from those who fall short. Hill shares the story of R.U. Darby, who gave up on his gold mining venture just 3 feet away from a major gold strike. Another man took over and reaped the rewards. This story illustrates the importance of persistence. Had Darby continued just a little longer, he would have achieved his goal. Hill provides several tips for developing persistence, including having a definite purpose, creating a solid plan, building self-discipline, and surrounding yourself with supportive people. The combination of these factors makes it easier to stay motivated and keep going, even in the face of adversity. The brain, a broadcasting and receiving station for thought, suggests that the human brain is like a broadcasting and receiving station for thought. Through the power of the brain, individuals can influence not only their own lives, but also the lives of others. Hill introduces the idea that thoughts have a frequency, and that by focusing on positive thoughts, you can attract positive outcomes. The brain's power is amplified when connected to other minds through the mastermind principle. By working together with others, you can tap into a greater collective intelligence and energy that can propel you toward your goals. Overcoming fear, the final challenge. Hill concludes the book by discussing the importance of overcoming fear. He identifies 6 basic fears that hold people back: the fear of poverty, criticism, ill health, loss of love, old age, and death. These fears are deeply ingrained in the human psyche, but Hill argues that they can be conquered through self-awareness, positive thinking, and persistence. By recognizing and addressing these fears, you can break free from their paralyzing effects and move confidently toward your goals. Hill encourages readers to confront their fears head-on, using the power of their minds to overcome them. In conclusion, Think and Grow Rich is more than just a guide to financial success. It's a manual for personal development and achievement in all areas of life. Napoleon Hill's teachings emphasize the power of thought, desire, and persistence in achieving any goal. The principles outlined in the book are timeless and can be applied to a wide range of endeavors, from building wealth to improving relationships or mastering a new skill. The enduring appeal of Think and Grow Rich lies in its ability to inspire readers to believe in themselves and take control of their own destinies. Hill's message is clear. Success is not reserved for a select few. It is available to anyone who is willing to cultivate the right mindset, take action, and persist in the face of challenges.